Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Cliff. Say hi.
Hi.
Cliff showed up on his Ducati 950. So we're going to do a little road test. The Tenere 700 versus the Ducati 950. And we'll see who goes faster. Obviously the Tenere. And we're waiting for one more guy to show up. I'm not even sure what bike he's on. And when he gets here, we'll check that one out too, and then we'll hit the road. Alright, just got some gas, fueling up. Brett showed up on another Ducati. They're behind me because, like I said, I'm faster. We're going to hit the highway and then we're going to go check out some roads out east. Alright, here's Brett. Say hi, Brett. There you go. And he's on the other Ducati. Cliff's behind us. We're about to hit the highway and then we'll check out some roads out by Fort Langley and East of Vancouver. So just heading over the Fort Van Bridge. They just rebuilt this a couple of years ago. Fancy new bridge that when it snows has ice bombs falling off of all these wires. Windy today. So I wanted to head north, but man, the weather does not look pretty. South looks great, no clouds. North, oof, looks like a terrible storm. We're right on the line of the weather. It was supposed to be a nice day today, but just depends where you are, I guess. Well, I'm shocked. I can't keep up to the Ducatis. That's crazy. So we got some cranberry fields over here. We're a little whiles away from cranberry season though. I have never been out here, so I have no idea where we are. Fort Langley, I believe, is where we are. Looks like we get some twisty roads down by the river. There's the old Fort Langley Community Hall, 1931. And there's the old man playing. also from 1931.
They're usually out there sometimes, so just be careful.
All right, just had some holy falafel. Nice, delicious wrap. And we're gonna continue on. Well, we're stuck by this long train. And it is long. So disappointing that trains don't have cabooses anymore. The caboose is the best part. All right, thanks Brent. We're leaving Brent and the Ducati, and just me and Cliff are gonna head back. And on to the highway. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a quick rip around, trying to follow those Ducatis around. Obviously there's no chance that I could keep up on my Tenere to real street bikes, but we had some fun anyways. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a quick enjoyed that. Just a quick.
What's his name? Brent's got a bike.
Yeah, well, when he shows up, we'll add him to the video. We'll say, oh look, somebody else just showed up. Uh-oh, was I filming? I don't think I was filming.
That's